Never do anything by halves if you want to get away with it. Be outrageous. Go the whole hog. Make sure everything you do is so completely crazy it's unbelievable. But there was one other thing that the grown-ups also knew, and it was this, that however small the chance might be of striking lucky, the chance is there. The chance had to be there. I understand what you're saying, and your comments are valuable, but I'm gonna ignore your advice. A life is made up of a great number of small incidents and a small number of great ones. The secret of life, he said, is to become very, very good at something that's very, very hard to do. Most of the really exciting things we do in our lives scare us to death. They wouldn't be exciting if they didn't. The matter with human beings, the BFG went on, is that they's absolutely refusing to believe in anything, unless they's actually seeing it right in front of their own schnozzles. So Matilda's strong young mind continued to grow, nurtured by the voices of all those authors who had sent their books out into the world, like ships on the sea. These books gave Matilda a hopeful and comforting message: you are not alone. And above all, watch with glittering eyes the whole world around you, because the greatest secrets are always hidden in the most unlikely places. Those who don't believe in magic will never find it. A person who has good thoughts cannot ever be ugly. You can have a wonky nose and a crooked mouth, and a double chin and stick-out teeth, but if you have good thoughts they will shine out of your face like sunbeams, and you will always look lovely. It doesn't matter who you are, or what you look like, so long as somebody loves you. He thought for the 1000th time how pretty she was, how sweet and gentle and full of kindness, and his heart ached with love. It's a funny thing about mothers and fathers. Even when their own child is the most disgusting little blister you could ever imagine, they still think that he or she is wonderful. Meanings is not important, said a BFG. I cannot be right all the time. Quite often I is left instead of right. You should never doubt something that no one is sure of. You'll never get anywhere if you go about what-ifing like that. Well, maybe it started that way. As a dream, but doesn't everything? Those buildings, these lights, this whole city. Somebody had to dream about it first. And maybe that is what I did. I dreamed about coming here, but then I did it. My candle burns at both ends, it will not last the night. But my friends, and my foes, it gives a lovely light.